Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the physical and basic software prerequisites so you don't waste time chasing configuration. First, power off and reset the SIM. You want a clean electrical contact. Once done, boot and check that airplane mode is off and the phone shows carrier signal. Then open mobile network settings and compare APN entries to carrier values. If incorrect, update them. These steps isolate hardware versus account or APN issues quickly, so you know the right path forward. Next, you execute deeper resets and forced re-registration to refresh the radio and service handshake. Reset network settings to clear stale APN and cached DNS entries. This resets Wi-Fi and Bluetooth too, but it often fixes mobile data conflicts. After that, manually select your carrier or toggle between 4G and 5G modes to force a fresh registration. Make sure carrier services and the phone OS are updated, because outdated firmware or a carrier app can finish by ruling out account, DNS, or carrier-side blocks so you reach resolution or escalate correctly. You should log into your carrier account or call support to confirm the line and data plan are active and not suspended. If account is fine, try setting DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8, or reset the APN to defaults to eliminate DNS resolution issues. If the problem persists, test another SIM in your phone. If that fails, provide the carrier your IMEI and troubleshooting steps taken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.